Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we are diving into a fascinating development in cloud computing, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning (ML). Let's explore how these technologies are revolutionizing cloud services. AI and ML are no longer just a buzzwords. They are actively reshaping cloud computing. Cloud providers are increasingly integrating these technologies to offer a smarter solution, right? Smarter and more efficient services. By harnessing AI and ML, cloud computing can offer more personalized experience to users. This includes tailored recommendation, intelligent automation, and more responsive services. One of the key benefits of integrating AI and ML into cloud services is enhanced cost efficiency. These technologies can optimize resource uses, reduce waste of money, waste of cost of resource, and ultimately lower down the cost of users, right? So it enhance overall performance of your users of resources, right? Another key area which we are looking right now is security, and which is a top concern in the cloud, and AI and ML are playing a crucial role here, right? They enhance security protocol, detect and prevent threats more efficiently, and help in maintaining compliance standards and so on. AI and ML are also pushing the boundaries of cloud automation. From managing complex cloud infrastructure to automating routine tasks, these technologies are making cloud service more agile and less. Perhaps the most exciting aspect is the self-learning capabilities of AI and ML. Cloud services can now continuously learn and adapt, improving their performance and functionality over time. As a conclusion, the integration of AI and ML into cloud services is not just an enhancement, it is a transformation. It's enabling more intelligent, secure, and efficient cloud environments, which will continue to evolve and impact how we use technology. So, integration of AI, ML, and cloud is a inevitable functionality, right? Because these two must be integrated to get the best out of it, and that is what the direction is going on. So we have to understood that these two integrated together, and it is improving not only the cloud infrastructure uses, it also improves how much resource required by AIML and at what cost, right? So for AIML, getting the resource with best possible cost is provided by cloud infrastructure, and for cloud infrastructure, the greatest consumer of infrastructure is AIML services. So that's why these two are properly integrated by now. And going forward, also, I'm very much sure that lots of service provider is going to come with more edgy services, especially designed for AI/ML services. So stay tuned and enhance your domain in these areas so that you are more capable with industry trained. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for completing this video. And I hope that you definitely have learned something which will help you in your system design interview. Hope to see you in next video with new concept and skills needed for the system design interview. By then, keep learning, keep improving, and keep sharing your knowledge.